Welcome to Session 10, Transformations. A transformation moves a point or figure according to a precise coordinate rule. Rigid transformations, translations, reflections, and rotations preserve side lengths and angle measures. Today you will translate by a vector, reflect across coordinate axes, rotate around the origin, and verify the image rather than relying on appearance. A translation adds the same vector to every vertex. Add A to each x-coordinate and B to each y-coordinate. Translating the triangle 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 by vector 2, 3 produces 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 6. Every point moves right 2 and up 3, so the image remains congruent to the original. A reflection flips orientation across a mirror line. Across the x-axis, keep x and change the sign of y. Across the y-axis, change the sign of x and keep y. Across y equals x, swap the coordinates. Thus, reflecting 3, 4 across the x-axis gives 3, -4, while reflecting across the y-axis gives -3, 4. Rotations about the origin use ordered pair rules. 90 degrees counterclockwise maps x, y to -y, x. 180 degrees maps to -x, -y. 270 degrees counterclockwise maps to y, -x. The point 3, 0 rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise becomes 0, 3. Verify rigid transformations with invariants. Corresponding side lengths should match. Angle measures should remain equal. And every translated point should use the same vector. For reflections, corresponding points lie equal distances from the mirror line. For rotations, each point remains the same distance from the center. These checks expose sign or coordinate order errors. Use this routine. Name the transformation and center or mirror line. Write the coordinate rule, apply it to every vertex, graph the image, and verify an invariant. Final check. Reflecting 2, 5 across the y-axis gives -2, 5. Next, we will combine coordinate methods with scale, units, and real-world modeling decisions. www.bridgetoexam.com